So there we have some sea salmon, a fillet, inside this cage, and I'm going out and I'm going to barbecue it on the little barbecue outside. So it's been salt, pepper and thyme and some hoisin sauce on it. So let's go out and put it on the grill, cook it up. I've been burning some birch in there. Birch has got the biggest BTU, British thermal units, and gives a good heat. So we now have this helos in there, and we put the skin side down and just let it cook there. Usually round about the edges you'll see it turning sort of paler colour, and then you know that it's being cooked. So that's it, and also the fat drips off it onto the fire. So that's it. Whoa, some ash coming up there. A few more bits of birch to keep the fire going. We don't want it to go out, so let's put it in there and get it going. Keep it going rather. This is really good dry wood. This should be enough. There we are. It's not watching what I'm doing here. Sounds like the rubbish van is coming down the hill. There we go. That's it. Let's turn it over and see what it's like. I expect that the skin side has gone all brown by now. Just might be a little bit too vigorous now. It's good, that birch. So you can see the head of it has been nicely browned, but the tail, which is away from the flames, is not so good. I think I'll have to rise it up. That's just too vigorous now. Let's put it up a bit. So I've raised it up a bit so that it not so near the flames. It's amazing, that birch, how warm it is, the heat that it produces. So I'll do this tail side of the skin, and then I'll turn it over and then cook the flesh side. So there we are. It looks like it's now nice and brown all the way down, and the skin should just peel away from the flesh once it's properly cooked. So we'll let that go on for a few minutes until the skin side gets nice and brown, and that should be it. We'll perhaps lower it down near the flame once the fire goes down a little bit. So the flames have died down now, and I've put it onto that mesh. Oof, lots of ash coming up. And we'll brown the flesh side and make it look good. So we might make a quiche with it, we might eat it just the way it is. So that's it. Sea salmon. Okay, I think that's about ready. Let's turn it over and see what it looks like on the other side. You can see it's cooked. Some bits of the flesh are falling off there. It's going this caramelized at the edge. And when you get those sort of white bits coming through there like that, then you know it's cooked properly. So that's it. Finished. Beautiful.